In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add hours in Google Sheets. Let's begin. So this is going to be the start time and this is going to be the end time. So in the end time, we are going to put the equals to sign. And we're going to go back to the start column and choose this number or this time, then add a plus and pick hours, plus again, then minutes, plus once more, then seconds. Then in the hours column, so I'm going to put the equals to sign, then choose the number 8 as in 8 hours, and then divide it by 24. So then we're going to do the same for the minute section. So put in the equals to symbol, then choose a number, I'm going to say 6 minutes, then put the slash symbol, and put 24 to represent the entire day, then slash again, and choose 60 because there are 60 minutes within an hour. Then we head over to seconds. Equals to symbol, I'm going to say 300 seconds, slash, 24 hours, slash again, 60 minutes, then 60 seconds. So now we just need to format this entire area so that it can show properly. So highlight the entire thing, go to Formats, and choose Number, then choose Time. So you can simply do the same with the other cells. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.